Lot number 2393A, 2001 Skidoo Summit 800, 136, looks like a 2-inch paddle. It's got an extra windshield and an aftermarket exhaust can. It's got 2,600 miles on the engine and on the chassis. Except for the engine, one of the cylinders is toast. Right there. And that was the clutch side. So we're tearing this machine down into parts. If you want to buy parts off this machine, give us a call at 218-844-4968 or on the web at martosmotorsports.com. Skis are good, new carbides on it. The oil pump failed on the engine, causing the cylinder to blow. Got no chassis damage that I can see. Thanks for stopping by.